I'm a smoker and I drink a lot of coffee, and I had a terrible periodontal disease. Did laser surgery on my gums, trying to get things worked out. Lots of money, lots of procedures. And then we finally got to the point where it wasn't doing any good and it was time to make a decision. My teeth were terrible. I was very, very conscious about it every single day.
Jennifer, she'd been a patient of this practice. When we knew she had some periodontal disease, been trying to help her with that process, and it just got to the point where we knew it was time to look for some other options for her. So we started talking to her about implants and what we do with our New You Smile implants. After kind of going through the options of what it was and how the implants worked, she knew she wanted something that could function like what she had previously several years ago, and she also wanted something that cosmetically was the best she could get, and that we talked about that being what we call our New You Smile implants. So we decided to move forward from there.
When I came in and we reached the decision that it was time to do something, it was explained to me very, very well. For me, implants was the only decision. I decided to go with the New You Smile treatment with Dr. Fetch. So the day of surgery, I had instructions on what medications to take before I came, and the surgery, I can't tell you how fabulous it was. When I went home, I am honestly telling you, I never had actual pain. When I saw my smile for the first time, I was absolutely thrilled, and I've had so many compliments from family members, from co-workers who see the difference. It's just fabulous.